Let's get started. First, click the power button from the Start menu. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While continuing to hold Shift, click Restart. Keep holding Shift while the computer restarts. Windows should now take you to the Choose an Option screen. If you cannot access this screen using Shift and Restart, you can also force Windows into the recovery environment. Turn off your computer. Turn it back on, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, turn the computer off again. Repeat this process about 3 times. Windows should then automatically open the recovery screen. Once you are on Choose an Option, click Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options, then click Startup Settings. Click Restart. When the Startup Settings screen appears, press 5 or F5 to select Enable Safe Mode with Networking. Open the Start menu and type Run. Open Run. Type msconfig. Press Enter. When the System Configuration window opens, go to the Services tab. Look through the list for a service related to ELAN. If you find the ELAN service, uncheck the box next to it. Then click Apply. Do not restart your computer yet, because we still need to complete one more step. Now open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type the following command: sfc/scan now. Press Enter. Windows will scan your system for corrupted or missing system files and repair them automatically when possible. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. Once the scan is complete, close Command Prompt. Return to the System Configuration window and restart your computer. Windows should now boot normally. And that's all there is to it.